Hey guys, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Hi guys, I am back with another test review. This time I have another wireless CarPlay adapter. Now this adapter is compatible with iPhones only. This does not work with Android phones. This is a device that converts the wired CarPlay to wireless. It's a simple plug and play device. You just need to connect it with the system, and you just need to set it up once, and then every time you switch on the car it automatically connects with your mobile. So let's open the box. There isn't much on the box, but let's open it to check out the contents. We get instructions manual. This has all the instructions on how to connect the device with your mobile. Basically you just need to connect the device with Bluetooth with your mobile, and then it automatically connects every time you switch on the car. So inside the box we also get a cable to connect the device with the system. It has a type C port and type A, and then in case you have a type C port in your car, you can use this converter to convert this type A to type C, like this. Alright, so and then finally we have the device here. Now this device looks very similar to the one I tested a few months back called Mira Box. It's very similar to that. This is about 7 by 5 centimeter and then about 1.5 centimeter thick. It's very lightweight, compact, nice design, and that's it. So you connect the cable here, and then this cable goes into the system of my car, and then in case you need to use a pen drive, you can certainly connect it here. That's it guys. I will take it out to my car now, connect it, and then test all the different features. Alright guys, it's time to connect the device with the system of my car. So I'll connect the USB-A port in this slot here. So now the device is connected. It will take some time for the system to recognize the device, and it gives me this message now. So what I need to do is go to the Bluetooth settings on my mobile. Here you go. So I switch on the Bluetooth. I should be able to see a new device appearing. There you go. So CarPlay box, click on this. It will ask me to pair it, allow contacts and favorites to sync. There you go. So it was that easy. It's very simple. It's plug and play. Once you connect the device with the system of your car, just need to go and connect the device with your mobile using the Bluetooth. And once you do that, you get the home page of Apple CarPlay appearing on your screen. Now, one thing to note is that this setup is to be done only once, the first time you connect the device with your system. And then from there onwards, every time you switch on the car, the device automatically connects with your mobile and takes you to this Apple CarPlay homepage. Now, I will not explain all the features of Apple CarPlay. If you want to know more about this, you can go and watch my earlier videos where I have a dedicated video showing all the different features, functions of Apple CarPlay. So what we will do today is to test this device. We will just check a few of the different applications. So let's start off by checking if Siri is working. Let's make a phone call. Hey Siri, call my Samsung mobile.
Calling my Samsung mobile. Work.
There you go. Alright, so let's play some music. Hey Siri, play some music.
Today's top hits now playing on Spotify.
I'm not in a rush. I can be music.
Hey Siri, stop the music. Hey Siri, take me to Dubai Mall.
Getting directions to the Dubai Mall.
Go. There you go. So navigation is working also. So that's it, guys. We've tested some of the important features of the device. We've tested Siri, phone call, music, navigation. There are a few other apps as well that you can test. Now, you will only be able to see the different applications that you have installed on your mobile. All those will appear here, the ones that are compatible with Apple CarPlay. If you want to go back to the original homepage of the car system, you just click on this logo here. Takes you back to the main homepage of the device. If you want to go back to Apple CarPlay homepage, you just need to click on this icon here and takes you back to this. There is also an option of split screen, which is this button at the bottom left. Click on that, takes you to a split screen view, which basically shows you the navigation, map, directions, and the music which is playing. That's it, guys. The last thing I would like to do is actually do a speed test to see how long does the device take to switch on when we start the engine of the car. So I have my stopwatch ready here. I will now unplug the device and then plug it back in and then start the timer. All right, 17 seconds, which is really good. So 17 seconds is the fastest that I have tested. There was another device, or I think a couple of other devices with 17 seconds speed test. This is definitely the faster device compared to the others that I've tested. There are some other devices which were beyond 45 seconds. But as I said, this is the latest 3.1 model, and that's why it's super fast. So I'm very happy with the speed of this device. So guys, I've tested the device. I've tested the different features, the most frequently used functions of the device, and it has performed really well on all fronts. I really like the speed of the device. 17 seconds is really fast. The design is quite nice. The price is not humongous. It's about $75, which is quite decent compared to the other devices I've tested. So I would highly recommend anyone who's looking for a wireless CarPlay adapter to go for this one. So guys, if you are interested to buy this device, just go to the description of this video. You'll find a link that takes you directly to the manufacturer's website. If you have any questions about this device, just drop me a WhatsApp message. I've provided a direct WhatsApp message link in the description of this video. Finally, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks.